Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coinbase Advanced Trade API for automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with installing the Coinbase Advanced Trade API for automation, begin by creating a Coinbase account if you have. Once your account is set up, log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the API settings page. This can usually be found under Account Settings or Security Settings. Look for an option that says API or API Management. Click on the New API Key or Create API Key button. You will be prompted to set permissions for your new API key. Make sure to select the appropriate permissions based on your automation needs, such as trading or wallet access. Once you've configured the permissions, click on the Create Key button. You will be shown your API key and secret key. Make sure to store these keys securely, as you won't be able to see the secret key again. Next, visit the official Coinbase Advanced Trade API documentation for reference. This documentation provides necessary endpoints and request formats you'll need for your automation scripts. Now, choose a programming language for your automation. Popular choices include Python, JavaScript, and Ruby, each with their own libraries for API interaction. If you select Python, you might want to install the Coinbase Pro library using pip. Open your command line interface and type pip install Coinbase Pro. Once installed, create a new Python file for your project. Import the necessary libraries at the top of your file. For example, if using the Coinbase Pro library, start with from Coinbase.pro import client. Next, set up your API client using the keys you generated earlier. This typically involves creating a client instance with your API key, secret, and passphrase. Follow this by writing functions for the tasks you want to automate, such as placing orders or checking balances. Make sure to handle exceptions and errors by implementing try-except blocks in your code. Once your automation script is configured, you can run it locally to test its functionality. Monitor the script's output for any errors and adjust as necessary. After confirming the automation works as expected, you may consider scheduling it to run at specific intervals. This can often be done using cron jobs on Unix-based systems or Task Scheduler on Windows. Finally, remember to regularly check your API keys and permissions for security. Ensure you keep your codebase up to date with any changes in the Coinbase API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.